So here I've taken a matrix of order 3 by 3 and we will try to find out the inverse of this matrix with the help of elementary row operation. Now I've told in the elementary row operations, you can write this A equals to IA. So here we will take the identity matrix of order 3. So it will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. And A, you have to write A as it is. Now in these type of questions, you have to either, if in the question it is given that these three terms, any of these three terms is 1, so the method is, with the help of this one you will try to make these two 0. If this is 1, then with the help of this you will try to make these two 0. If this is 1, then with the help of this you will try to make these two 0. Or if it is not given 1 here, so we will try to make any of these terms 0 and then we will make the other terms 0. Now here to make this, first we will try to make this one 0, this one 1. Okay, so to make this one 1, either you can divide the first row with 2, or else here, as you can see, 3 is also here, so with this 3 also you can make this one 0, this one 1. Okay, so here I am taking the second option, that is I'll change the R1. I will change the R1 with R3 minus R1. See, 3 minus 2 is 1, so I will subtract the first row from the third row and that will be become our first row. So here 3 minus 2, it will be 1, minus 2 plus 3, it will be plus 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1. And here no change in the second row and the third row, so third and second row will come as it is. Now here also the same changes we will do. R1 will become R3 minus R1, so 0 minus 1, it will be minus 1, 0, 1 minus 0, 1, and the other two will come as it is. Now as I've told, with this one we will try to make these two 0. Okay, so here you can see this is 2 and this is 1, so you can multiply this 1 with 2 and then you can subtract it with the second row, from the second row, then you will get the 0 here. So here what I'll do, I'll change my second row with R2 minus twice of R1. Okay, and the same thing, third row also you can make this 3 as 0, multiply the first row with 3 and then subtract it from the third row, it will become also 0. So here third operation, third row, also changing third row with R3 minus 3 times of R1. Now you can take two operations together, it's not a problem. So for finding this one, do one thing, multiply your first row with minus 2 and then add this with the second row, because we have taken R2 minus 2R1, so R1 I have multiplied with minus 2, try to multiply it with minus 2 and then add these two rows. So it will be minus 2 plus 2, 0, and first row, first I am writing the first row because no change in the first row, so it will come as it is. Now minus 2, 2, 0, minus 2 minus 2, 0, here it will be minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, 5, and then we will see our third row. For finding third row, we can multiply the first row with minus 3 and then we can add it with the third row, so it will be plus 3 minus 3, 0, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 2 plus 3, it will be 5. Now the same changes we will do in this matrix. So second row, again first row will come as it is. For the second row, you have to multiply the first row with minus 2 and then add these two. So plus 2, 0 will be 2, 0 plus 1, 1, minus 2 plus 0 will be minus 2. Now for the third row, here you have to multiply this with minus 3. So plus 3, 0 plus 3, 0 into 3, 0, so 0, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, so you will get this matrix here. Now see, here we got 0, 0, 0 also. So that's good thing. Now here these two terms are 0, so we can change these two rows, we can interchange these two rows. So at least third row we will get. Now actually these two are 5, 5, so with the help of this 5 you can also make this one as 0. So this only I will try here. So I will write my R3 as R3 minus R2. So here first row no change, second row no change, only change in the third row, that will become 0, minus 5 and 0. 5 minus 5, 0. And here also first row no change, second row no change, only third row. R3 minus R2, 3 minus 2, 1, 0 minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, plus 2, 0. So this will be your right side of the equation. Now we will see what can be done. Now we will see here we have to make this one 1, this also 1. So what can be done here? We can divide our second row with 1 by 5, and the third row can also be written as minus 1/5 of R3. So here also we will get 1, here also we will get 1. So first row no change, second row divided by 5, third row divided by minus 5. So we will get this one. Here also first row no change, second row divided by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. This I will write here. Third row minus 1 by 5 divided by minus 1 by 5. So it will be minus 1 by 5, minus minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 0 by 5. So 0 will be 0 only. These will be the changes in this matrix. Now we can interchange these two rows, but still we have to make this one 0 and this one also we have to make 0. Now see, if I'll add R1 with R2, at least this one will become 0. Again you will get this one, so 1 is also here. So then you can subtract the third row. So either you can do it in 2 steps or in single step also you can do it. So here I'm changing my R1 with R1. See, as I've told, you can add here R2, so it will become 0. And if you'll subtract the result with the R3, then this will also become 0. So here this will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and here it will be 0, 1, 0. Now here it was easy, but here we have to see what changes will come. So let's see. First row, yes, change in the first row only. So here in the rough also you can do this one. R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2 plus 2 by 5 and then minus R3. So it will be plus 1 by 5. Just solve this one and you'll get the answer. So minus 1 plus 3 by 2, it will be minus 2 by 5. Then next one, we have 0. 0 plus 1 by 5, 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, 0. 1 minus yes, 1 minus 2 by 5, it will be 3 by 5, and minus 0, this only you will get. No change in the second row and no change in the third row. So these terms will come as it is. Now first row, okay, this should be the third row. So now we will interchange our second row, interchanging the second row with the third row. So this will, first row as it is, second row 0, 1, 0, third row 0, 0, 1, and here also first row no change, second row will become our third row. So third row will come in the place of second row, and here is our third row. So here this is our A inverse, that is the answer. So you can write A inverse equals to minus 2 by 5, 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. That is our A inverse. So that is the answer.